People's Club Odogwo Ijele Omeliko Kulo People's Club Odogwo. People's Club Mamanu Kafashe ku kafashe menu Anyi walu madu naba People's Club Mama People's Club Odogwo Royal Highness Igwe BC Ezenwa Ezokoko 1 Noba First registered the trustee of People's Club of Nigeria Chairman People's Club Board of Trustees Isi Ezenwa Ezokoko 1 Noba Onye manegwu n'ubido n'ugbo ka anyị welu gabelu n'ihu Ezinna n'oga dịlị gị mma Chief Dr. Mike Egbebuike Chairman of all chairmen, the People's Club of Nigeria International, American. Two-time chairman, the Miami branch. Chairman, Chief Executive Officer, Precision Engineering Group. Chairman, Chief Executive Officer, Class Hotels in Nigeria. Class Hotel Nigeria Limited. Now 1 year does Yakulolo. Dr. Mrs. Ifi Egbebuike. Okosileze Wanyoma. First lady in the Miami branch. First lady of all first ladies. Asama Wanyoma Omobidia. She Fabiano Onwashu Acharugo Oswaja Nakokwa Ogwagwa Dazian National Chairman, Management Committee, the People's Club of Nigeria. Where do she booze a cafe? Okay, one of Mazilin and Imeyi. Any Hamatu, Imeyi. Chairman, Washington DC branch. Easy lawyer. First lady in Washington DC branch. His Royal Majesty Eze Desmond Ogugua Millionaire Dollar Trust trustee, patron, na People's Club of Nigeria. Chief Dr. Sir Fabian Enuma, Ejedibian Namwidi, public health advisor to USA government. Chairman Emeritus na Washington DC branch. Na law lawyer Grace Enuma Wanyama Ngala Pesiri Obidie. Abububi Ofadu Nna Ogwuwanu Omelaha n'Ụmụondo Ụmụkabia n'Ehime. Chairman Princeton branch na New Jersey. N'oli akụnye Mrs. Pepsi Ofadu enyi dia First Lady na Princeton branch. His Royal Highness Igwe R.N. Nwankwo Igwe Genena Daziani, Grand Patron, People's Club of Nigeria. Shimsasi Emeka Uzowulu Ejodinobi Wanonehala, Honorable Chairman, Founding Member, na Glaveston Branch. Nalaloya Lady Sabina Uzowulu Odibeze. Shuje O Igwe Idenoke Titi, trustee, patron. Chief Professor Sir Innocent J. Aluka, Knight of Columbus. Ishie Umabia Mwananugoni Hala, Honorable Chairman Emeritus na Glaveston branch, one of the original 5 members of People's Club of Nigeria International, USA, Canada, and England. Nala lawyer Caroline Aluka, Honorable First Lady Emeritus na Glaveston branch, Simplicity Lolo, Omasiridia Osodi Ebolian, Chief Engineer Fidelis Okekaru Okutalipwetu n'Enugu, Patron, People's Club of Nigeria. Ishie Ima Nkemu Okafọ, Ishie Akajialo Ezemelue n'Ogidi, Chairman Emeritus na Boston branch. Na nwunye Stainless Ojiebi Ezemelue, Mrs. Keti Nwakego Ọkabụ, Adaọdịnigbo Obi n'Obosio, Adandiọma. Nze Dr. Ezegozie Eze, Founding Chairman, Philadelphia branch. Akwụnwafọba Omekantinu na People's Club, President, Chief Executive, Desco, The Zep Worldwide. Na nwunye ya Lady Usheze, Founding First Lady na Philadelphia branch. Odibeze. Chief Dr. Sir Joe Ilonze Ezugonna n'Ojoto, Washington Emelena Daziani, immediate past first vice president, People's Club of Nigeria International. Chief na-agba wachie Oshudo Wano Nachi oke osisi na People's Club of Nigeria International founding chairman People's Club of Nigeria International Toronto, Canada. First Canadian branch of People's Club of Nigeria International. Onyema Rafael Benagu Awashie Nangunya Ebele Chukwu Florence Awashie Obidie Oshara Wanyoma na People's Club of Nigeria International founding first lady na People's Club of Nigeria Toronto, Canada. Anya Baba Paul Nwakudu Ugumba founding chairman Atlanta branch Professor Anthony C. Iwuna Omawa na Sherry Hill founding chairman Sherry Hill branch ezigbo nwunye Dr. Deborah Iwuna Ugodia nwanyị ọma Ada founding first lady na Sherry Hill branch. Secretary na Miami branch na nwunye maka na mabụle bụ nwe mfu ndị cross the boundary of poverty People's Club isi mmiri Reverend Chukwuma E. Okafor nke onye na-emediri ya founding first secretary na New Haven branch na nwunye ya Mrs. Chime Okafor odere awanụ na New York anya mama Prince Okeze Eze n'ugbo Eze nwe second n'ugbo Honorable Secretary Los Angeles Ezi nwanne m na nwunye ya Lady Obiano Uju Eze Elegance nwunye Eze n'ugbo ayamo nwanne dị na mba Dr. Reverend Lieutenant Colonel Nicholas Olusegun Akinkoye nwanne dị na mba founding secretary